Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how I did these beautiful distressed butterfly locks. I went ahead and parted my hair to get everything prepared and ready for me to crochet the hair in. I realized that my back parting was a little bit too big, so I ended up making them a little bit smaller, but besides that, this is how I started. This video is sponsored by the Beverly store on Amazon. The link is in the description box below. Y'all, they gave me some hair. I'm moving on up. Before I crochet the hair in, I go ahead and fluff the hair out just to go ahead and get it ready for the process of wrapping around my hair. Once I crochet the hair in, with that first piece, I go ahead and start wrapping it around. I don't worry about butterflying it or distressing it. I just wrap it around loosely. And then with the second piece, that's when I start distressing, butterflying the hair out. If you're not getting it now, don't worry. I will jump to the front and you'll be able to properly see everything that I'm doing step by step so that you can achieve this look as well. So for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I use that technique to complete the whole back of my hair, but I will be showing you an easier technique once I move towards the front. Step 1, I fluff the hair out before I crochet the hair in. It just cuts down time for me and I prefer to do it this way. Okay, so for step 2, I measure one side to about the length of my real hair, set it aside, and then I add my hair onto the longer piece. With the shorter piece, I begin to start wrapping. I wrap around the root twice, and then I would start to move down the hair. The technique I use, I feel, is very simple to get the hair to look distressed. And all you do is you just wrap the hair around your thumbnail to get the hair to kind of puff out and, you know, give you the look that you're looking for. So once you have about a ½ inch left, you just add that to the inside with your hair, and then you continue wrapping with the longer side. Because I'm not extending this lock and I'm only wrapping around my own hair, I just flip my ends up and start wrapping upward. Once I get to the ends, I just continue wrapping until I can't wrap anymore, grabbing up all the small tiny pieces that I can, and it stays in place. I don't have to use any type of glue. I give it a good rub between my hands, and then voila, I'm done. The look is complete and super beginner friendly. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all next video.